got a problem, man.
Hey y'all, good morning. You know what time it is? Time to go to Daytona.
What up, people? It's your man GQ, and this is my ride to Daytona Bike Week 2024. The rumble of our engines echoes through the crisp morning air as my brother and I get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. The sun peaks over the horizon, casting a golden hue upon our sleek machines, the legendary Harley Davidson. Daytona Bike Week calls us like mine when dinner's ready, and with the twist of the throttle, we set forth on our pilgrimage. And as we ride in formation, the wind whips against our bodies, carrying it with the promise of adventure and camaraderie. And that squad of friends will swell up as we inched along Interstate 10. The gang of friends turned family will be waiting for us as we hit the great state of Florida.
Look, man, we got the squad out here, man.
You see that? Kelly D in the house. He rolling, man.
You already know it.
Ripping on two wheels. Two wheels and three.
I'm ripping on three.
And ripping on three. And we out here, man.
We are out here, y'all. So we about to go and take it on in to Daytona.
And with every mile, the bonds of friendship grow stronger, laughter mixing with the hum of our engines. Each twist and turn of the road brings us closer, forging memories that will last a lifetime. And the open road stretches out before us like a canvas waiting to be painted with the stories of our journey. Each stroke is a different mile or town, and the muted palette of the city of St. Augustine will be our subject for this week. Hey, we done made it to the Airbnb in St. Augustine, Florida. We outside, man.
Yes, sir. We good, man.
We outside, man. Cause I never been to St. Augustine. I've been to Daytona, but never been to St. Augustine.
Food run. A quick run to grab some food was a must, as we were hungry for food, but our hunger for what was ahead of us sat deep within the pits of our stomachs. Adventure, fellowship, and fun. St. Augustine is roughly an hour away from Daytona, so we took the time to cruise into the city. Thousands of people were still making their way to Bike Week, eager to hop on their motorcycles and parade around the area, reveling in all that is available to them. And so we did as well, cruising like a ship deep at sea. And we met up with more friends and just rode around until it would be time for us to head back to St. Augustine. And so we locked in the throttles and flew back to our spot for the evening. Good morning, people. Squad up. You ready to get it? Woo! Woo! Ooh, say what, say what, say what. So one thing that I can't get down with, y'all, is the no helmet law. I can't get down with that. Day 2 will start off with breakfast at the world famous Oasis restaurant. And I guess the food was so good that I forgot to record the interactions and the menu that was on display. But after breakfast, we would move on to downtown St. Augustine to take in the area. Look at these old buildings, y'all.
Daytona City, my bad. I said the world was St. Augustine, Florida. And the way this place got started was because they were trying to find the fountain of youth, which is around the corner. So Q, I'm making it a point, man, to talk about the fellowshipping that we're doing this weekend, man.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's all about the fellowship, just getting together, linking up, hanging out, talking, building, continuing to just fellowship and grow our unity, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that's all I'm talking about, man.
look, get you a squad, man. You know, wherever you may be, people may look at you some kind of way. They may think about you some kind of way. They even may call you crazy because of the thoughts, dreams, ideas, and feelings that you might have. You feel me? But when you get around like-minded people, it's a beautiful thing. So find your tribe, or better yet, your tribe gonna find you. Stick to your guns. Don't let nobody knock you off your horse. For real, for real. Yeah. I know it's hard. I know it can be difficult. It can be lonely. You know what I'm saying? It can be isolating. Definitely an isolating feeling. But you keep doing you, your tribe will find you. And when you find that tribe, build it up, make it stronger, make it better. You feel me? That's what we do. Oh yeah. All right, famo. We just leaving downtown St. Augustine. Gonna head to the dealership and then on to Bethune. St. Augustine is such a beautiful place with history richer than Warren Buffett, and I definitely felt like I gained a wealth of knowledge about the area. The crew and I will found ourselves back on 95 with our destination for the day being a ride and bagger show on Bethune-Cookman, hosted by YouTube's Traveling Tall. Traveling Tall's bike show featured many custom bikes that had been on display from their owners. You can tell a lot of these guys put plenty of time, effort, and detail into each bike. And after walking around and interviewing the owners, winners were picked. And the crowd watched as each winner was called to the stage and given their just due. It has to be an amazing feeling to be recognized for the hard work that you put in something that you love. Harley-Davidson motorcycles allow such an amazing canvas for customization, each bike ready to become the next Mona Lisa. I had to take a picture with the world's most famous beach time. Cause it's about to get real. Never ever seen a thing like this revealed. Hold on, outside, man, about to get us some food. And then I don't know what we're gonna do from this point.
So fresh, so fresh.
What's up, people, man? Today is the day. It's your boy's first meet and greet at the Daytona Speedway at the Harley-Davidson booth. I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you all the sights and sounds of what we got going on. So, man, send one up for your boy. Check back in with y'all later. Peace.
Today would be a day I would never forget, as it would be time for me to host my very first meet and greet at the Daytona Speedway. And the sun was shining bright as a new penny. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, but here goes nothing.
Yeah, I had to make sure I got my patches.
Stay with the patch gang, gang. I would meet a few people along the way and take a few pictures en route to my spot.
Good stuff, man. Byron, I'm from Melbourne, Palm Bay, Florida. That's Cocoa Beach, you know, working down for all you people who cruise. That's where I'm from, the land of the space race. But right now we're in Daytona at Bike Week 2024. I drive a 2021 Road Glide and ride since the 90s, mostly sport bikes. I still got a Gixxer sitting in the house, but got my first Harley. Follow my man GQ on his content, learn some things, incorporate that to my ride, but out today with my groups, just having fun, just loving life. So
that's what I'm talking about.
Appreciate the day.
Double McKee out of, wow, I kept trying to be.
Well, I live in Florida, but I spend my summers in Ohio because that's the place where I can make a whole lot of trips out of it. It's easier getting places from Ohio than way down here in Florida.
Yeah.
Please.
How you like the Daytona?
Oh man, loving it. I've been here, coming here for, this is my 5th year in a row.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started out coming out. My friend brought me down here the first time, and now I'm coming by myself.
Yeah.
They kind of
fell off.
Yeah, they just kind of gave.
That's all right. That is all right, man. I appreciate that.
Hey, that thing yesterday, the thing, Tall's thing,
yeah,
that was really great. What's going on in the motorcycle community now is just absolutely amazing as far as with African American people getting involved, Harley Davidson stepping up.
Yeah,
and that's really kind of cool. And you young people that are doing these what you call video logs?
Yeah, vlogs. Yeah,
it's really great, man. It's really great.
I appreciate it.
I know I said I was nervous, but the genuine love that was passed around like a collection plate at the Baptist church made me feel at ease, and I just took it all in. And I'm just so grateful that these supporters took time out of their busy schedules just to come and see me, and it's something that I'll never ever forget. Peace, love, and joy are the three core values that I live by, and I never pass up an opportunity to give a hug or to shake a hand. And I'm just a normal dude from New Orleans who has a passion for Harley Davidson. And I'm so glad that many can see that, because after all, I'm just GQ, nothing more and nothing less. I will leave the meet and greet to catch another amazing experience back down on Bethune-Cookman called The Damn Show.
Right. Peace Army in the house.
Yeah.
Detroit Randy, owner and curator of the Detroit Antique Motorcycle Show, aims to preserve the history and culture of antique motorcycles. His show travels all across the United States and even abroad. He also has a passion for vintage motorcycle racing, where he's knocking down barriers with each race he wins, recognizing the past while looking toward the future.
So I'm building a bike for Harley Davidson. Y'all the first to hear it. I'm doing a 2024. This will be on the finish. Okay. So this gentleman here, if you notice on the side of his shirt, his father was known as the Black Ghost, the most famous American car of the last 10 years. Look it up. It's set at the Washington Mall, under glass in D.C. It's in the National Registry. So what we also do is promote history. That table is supposed to have a bunch of stuff.
I watched as Randy navigated his way through the crowds at Bethune-Cookman, dropping nuggets of history, and the people in the area definitely picked up what he was putting down. Randy is such an amazing historian with his educational background and quick wit. You have no choice but to literally be tuned into what he's preaching.
Hi, my name's Ed Carriger, Edzo58 on Instagram. I take a lot of pictures of vintage motorcycle racing, and that's why I'm here at the Damn Show to support my brothers and sisters in their vintage motorcycle careers.
What's up, people? What's up, people? Daytona 2024, where's that, baby? The way going down. In the back of it. Come to the party, look at the streets in the back. This is what we got going on. I got my man Rockwild with me here. This is what we're doing, baby. 2024 Daytona Bike Week. Happening right here. Harley Davidson. You see it. Put on a show, hell of a show.
Good morning, people, man. We getting ready to roll out. Got a little bit of a squad with us.
Seattle had like that 10-year anniversary.
Look, I ain't gonna be able to show you my point of view, because you know, y'all know what happened. But I'll try to get as much as I can on this camera, so I'll holler at y'all later.
As always, after an amazing trip, I have to take it back home, and it starts off with the bikes creeping along the highway in the dark. The rumble of our motors would eventually wake up the son from his sleep, like Dad trying his best to silently open a bag of chips. And the cool air brought on an unexpected chill, but mixed with the faint warmth of the golden sun gave me goosebumps under my gear. We would pass many bikes and trailers along the way down I-10, many of them leaving Bike Week as well. And I just think to myself, if they enjoyed their time there as much as I did, By this time, the sun had risen to its peak, blanketing the highway with clear skies and a view to match. With little traffic and an open road, we took advantage and pushed hard to the Florida state sign.
It is cold out there. It is so cold. See, that's why I tell y'all, always keep extra gloves and things like that, and make sure you bring your heated gear and stuff, because you never know when or how or why the temperature may change. And I'm glad I had my heated gear, because I was able to plug up and I got nice warmth up under here. You know what I'm saying? I got my heated grips. I don't need my heated gloves, but if I do need them, I got them. And I think I actually might switch to them. That's what I'm saying, man. Oh, man, we good, man. We out here, man. We getting it. It's our last stop together. We gonna break off and keep it moving. I appreciate him taking this ride back with me, man. We about to get it, though.
All right, man. It's good another time.
Oh, yeah.
As we said our final goodbyes and pushed on to our respective homes, we have a few more miles to burn together. We split up near Mobile, Alabama, and then I was alone. And in my moment of solitude, I reflect on another awesome journey. It's not the parts vendors that make Daytona or any other rally what it is. It's the people. It's the beautiful sunrise at the beach, the scenic byways that give us a break from our daily lives, and our friends who flock to this space yearly make it all worthwhile. But amidst the chaos and excitement, it's the moments shared with friends that truly stand out. The highway stories, the breakdowns, the impromptu races along deserted highways, and just sharing a hug and a smile. But though our journey may come to an end, the memories we've created will endure, and I can't wait to come back again. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And this is your man GQ, the leader of the Peace Army, telling you guys to be safe, be cool, and most importantly, be you, and peace out until we meet again.